This is a very important Shiba Inu video. This is one that I really hope you pay attention to and hear me on. I am truly trying to tell you about one of the biggest opportunities having to do with the Shiba Inu ecosystem. It's very important that you understand what I'm about to tell you. Now, this video is for entertainment purposes only. This is not investing advice. But what I'm about to talk to you about is something that I have been taking advantage of, and I'm going to continue to take advantage of. And I'll explain that here in just a minute. And also, I have a sponsor for today's video, and I'll show you that here in just a little bit. But stick around for the entire video because I got a lot to tell you. And I really want to stress the importance of this. This is not one of my normal kind of SHIB update videos. This is big. Okay. So with that, what do I want to talk to you about? All right. So I want to talk to you about the fact that Shibarium is coming. We know this. And I want to talk to you about the opportunity with Bone. Okay. Here's what is so important that you understand. Okay. So I got to give Lucy credit. She did a great, let me zoom this in for you. She did a great little update here. Lucy Shib, definitely give her a follow. She's one of the kind of official disseminators of, Shiba Inu related content. Okay. So this is talking about, it's a tweet talking about Shibarium, but it's really talking about Bone. So bear with me. I want to point out a couple of key things here. Okay, so we know that Shibarium's coming. So we know that when Shibarium launches, it's going to be massive for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. But what it's really going to be massive for is Bone, because Bone is going to be the gas fee token. Okay, I want to ask you a question, and I want to zoom in for effect. How would you have liked to have been around back in the day when Ethereum, you could buy Ethereum for $50, $100? I would have certainly loved to have been around for that, right? You probably see where I'm going with this. Ethereum's trading at $1,800 today. It's been as high as $2,700. But my point to you is that there's the value of Ethereum. There's lots of value around Ethereum, but effectively, the Ethereum is the gas fee coin of the Ethereum network, and all of these thousands and thousands and thousands of projects, tens of thousands, are built on Ethereum. Do you get my point? The exact same thing here is applied to Bone. Okay. So Bone being the gas fee token, as the usage of Shibarium gets larger, the value of Bone will go up. Bone's price right now is 91 cents and change. If you look at the last, say 1 year, you can see that Bone has hit a high of approximately $2 twice. By the way, and obviously Bone right now is not being used as the gas fee token because obviously Shibarium is not launched. This is just, the price of Bone moving accordingly, with news information. By the way, it moved up here when we've gotten updates and kind of really good information around Shibarium, right? Okay. So you probably see where I'm going with this. Okay. So basically, these two paragraphs talk about how Shibarium is going to provide projects and DApps and things of that nature and all that kind of stuff. The reason why they are going to use Shibarium, right? And remember, Bone is the gas fee for Shibarium. Okay. All right. So talking about key advantage of Shibarium is cost effectiveness. That's basically a reason why projects will want to deploy their projects on Shibarium, okay, from lower cost fees because it's off chain, things of that nature. There's higher security, things of that nature. Kind of continuing on. You can pause the video if you want to read kind of these two paragraphs, okay? But here's what I really want to point out. The impact of Shibarium on Bone is profound. With reduced gas fees, because remember, it's going to be cheaper for projects, and from a transactional standpoint, the gas fees will be very, very low on Shibarium. I mean, right now, gas fees on Ethereum, like I did some trades yesterday, I paid like $23 and $17 and $60 in gas fees. I've paid as high as hundreds of dollars in gas fees back, at various times. Okay, on Ethereum, right? So the impact of Shibarium on Bone is profound. With reduced gas fees on Shibarium, the demand for Bone as a means of transactional value increases. As projects migrate to Shibarium, take advantage of its cost effectiveness, the demand for Bone token rises accordingly. This increased demand can lead to positive impact on the value and utility of Bone within the ecosystem. That's so important. Okay. Now, I want to pause for a word from our sponsor for today's video, Corium. And then I'll come back and wrap up my final thoughts on this. One of the biggest areas of opportunity coming in crypto is what is called enterprise grade solutions. These are projects, technology solutions that are going to help enable large and medium and small businesses get into blockchain, get into crypto. And a project, a company leading the charge in this particular area of enterprise grade solutions is Corium. And Corium is right here an enterprise grade layer one blockchain that can serve as a core infrastructure for future decentralized apps for businesses, for big projects. Again, small, medium, large companies is how I think about it, and enabling them to come into crypto and deploy their applications, technology for them to do business inside of the the blockchain inside of crypto. Okay, and so I wanted to make you aware of this. This is a fantastic project. Links in the description below to get more information on Corium, so for you to be able to check them out. But like right here, Ubic Capital, experience the speed, security, and interoperability of Corium, the cutting-edge layer one blockchain with a transactional throughput of 7,000 TPS, outperforms Bitcoin and Ethereum, making it perfect for enterprise-grade applications. So definitely give Corium a look. Check them out. Links in the description below. There's also a link down to their link tree, so you can check that out. And then I would definitely check out their white paper, their website, all that kind of stuff. Definitely give Corium a look. And I promise this is an area, enterprise grade solutions are going to be a massive area inside of crypto that is forthcoming. And we're just at the beginning of this particular initiative. Take care. Okay, so few final thoughts here. I am going to be buying Bone. Okay, I am going to be buying thousands and thousands of dollars worth of Bone. Am I telling you to do that because you should? No, I'm telling you that because of all the reasons I've laid out in previous parts of this video. And you look at this, the price of Bone is starting to move up. And this is one of those scenarios. It's been as low as 68, 70 cents back about a month or about 6 weeks ago, give or take. It's starting to move back up, and it's going to continue, I think, to rise as we get closer to Shiba Inu launch. Shiba Inu launch, we're looking at probably an August launch, in my opinion. This is one of those, if you're sleeping on it, you're like, why didn't I buy Bone? Because I think, again, I've laid out the reasons that Bone is going to go up in value. It's going to go up in value. This is one of the best and most safest crypto plays, in my opinion. I've had numerous conversations yesterday with some friends and things of that nature, kind of explaining this to them. This is one that I am leaning heavily into. Again, not investing advice. You got to do what's right for you. But this is something, it's going to be massive. And I think there's a great opportunity here. With that, I'll see you.